Article number 122. It talks about courts not to inquire into proceedings of Parliament. It has two clauses. Clause 1 says, the validity of any proceedings in Parliament shall not be called in question on the ground of any alleged irregularity of procedure. Basically means is that no court can say that certain proceeding went bad in Parliament or something like that. It's totally up to the Parliament on how it conducts its proceedings and all that. No court can question that. That's what it says. Clause 2 says, no officer or member of Parliament in whom powers are vested by or under this Constitution for regulating procedure or the conduct of business or for maintaining order in Parliament shall be subject to the jurisdiction of any court in respect of the exercise by him of those powers. Basically, it elaborates the same thing. That means no person in Parliament, like any member of Parliament or any officer who is working under Parliament and who is performing duties according to the Constitution, cannot be it does not fall under the jurisdiction of any court. Like it could be any court, Supreme Court, High Court, or District Court, any court. And that means no MP or any other some kind of secretary or someone in the Parliament will not fall under the jurisdiction as long as he is performing the duties mentioned in the Constitution and in respect of exercise by him of those powers. That's the thing. As long as performing those duties, that person will not fall under any jurisdiction of any courts. That's what it says. But yes, obviously, like if that person is doing something outside the what the Constitution has asked him to do, or is doing something else, like some personal thing or at home or something like that, which is not related to any of his work related thing, then obviously he falls under jurisdiction. But as long as he's performing duties as related to the Parliament and all that, then that person does not fall under the jurisdiction of any court. Along with 121, this article talks about separation of powers and putting checks and balances. Like we know that the Parliament is the legislature branch of the government and courts form the judiciary branch, and there is some kind of separation between them, that one branch cannot interfere with the activities of the other branch. That's what Article 121 and 122 talk about. Like 121 talks about freedom of judiciary from Parliament, and 122 talks about freedom of Parliament from the judiciary. That's what these two articles talk about.